have their data in, yes?
Oh my gosh, yes ma'am.
Okay, so we're going to do in a random cell over to the right, equals, and you'll start typing line S, and it comes up. Select it. LINEST, and when it'll once you typed in like 3 or 4 letters, it's gonna pop up. So you select that one. Again, you're going to select the dependent first. So select from top to bottom.
Wait, it added extra things for me.
Comma. And then you go select the independent from top to bottom. Close your parentheses and hit enter. So this is your.
It said there was a problem with my formula.
There's a problem with your formula.
There's an extra comma.
Oh,
You have to take away the commas.
What do you do when you get known one?
You have to take away the stats too.
No, you're just closing off the parentheses.
But you have to delete the comma.
But there can only be one parentheses. It has to be.
okay, I got somewhere.
So yeah, it tries. There's to get other information. You can add more. We don't care about it.
I got 2 numbers.
I got the same number.
Wait, how did you get that?
Oh, I got it.
I feel skilled.
Okay. Questions, or did everyone get it?
I killed it.
I did not. Mine's, I don't really know what to do from here.
Oh.
We need to do that.
Where's equals? Oh, on your
Select.
keyboard,
From top to bottom, your Y values. No, that is X, not Y. Listen to what I'm saying, please. Select your Y values from top to bottom.
Did you just press enter me?
You tell me which one of those are your Y values, right? You have to know this. Okay. So no, don't select B, select the cell. And drag and push, pull down. Yes, that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, hold on, you gotta delete what's there. Oh, that'll work. That'll work. Yes, do it that way. Okay, now do comma, and now you do the same thing over here. And then close parentheses.
What do you mean close parentheses?
You don't. Do you have to do the close parentheses?
I maybe on yours because it wants to do extra. Hit enter.
Because I.
There's also there might
Okay.
be extra commas. Or yeah, there's extra commas.
Okay, yeah. So I don't know why. Yeah, you have to just go delete all this stuff. I don't know. It shouldn't be adding it in. Mine doesn't, but it may be an iPad thing. Okay. Anyone else not have this? All right. So for the correlation coefficient, equals CORREL. Again, it'll come up as soon as you've typed a few letters. And you do the exact same order. And again, you do not need to, all that other stuff doesn't need to be there. So if you need to delete it and hit enter, and it's going to give you your correlation coefficient.
Highlight. Sorry, what'd you highlight after you typed in?
Exact same way as the other. The Y's, then the X's. Okay, now this is, I'm going to ask you to do this later, so we're going to go ahead and talk about how to graph in Excel. So to graph, you're going to, I want everyone to watch me before you do it. You're going to highlight all your data, okay?
You missed one.
No, I didn't. That's the headers, not the data. I am going to go to, you can either go up here to insert chart, XY scatter, or you have to go look at all of your buttons and figure out which one's the right one. I think this is the easiest. And now it popped up my graph there. I can edit the chart title to be whatever it is I want it to be. And then one more thing, watch. If you'll notice, I'm on chart design here, okay? I'm gonna go to add chart element, and I'm gonna add the axis titles. And I just do that, and then it automatically pops them in. Now I can edit it, so this would be, what was my data? Club head speed, miles per hour. And then this one was distance in yards. So whenever you're doing these, if you have a chart title, you can, I don't care if you don't have a chart title, you can delete it, but I do want you to label your axes. So that's how you create a chart in Excel. It's super easy, but you need to know how to do all that for the project. And there's going to be some homework or some assignments I'm going to ask you to do as well.
It doesn't work that way with ours.
So-
It changes our numbers.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Mine works.
It shouldn't be any different.
Yeah, I don't know how to choose the data.
Do you pick the one with access time? Yeah. Mine worked.
No, you change your numbers.